In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or removing unwanted messages, knowing how to efficiently delete emails is an essential skill. So, let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. To start, open Microsoft Outlook and navigate to your inbox. Once there, have a look through the list of emails you've received. When you see an email that you wish to delete, simply glide your cursor over to it. Now, here comes the action part. Place your cursor on the email of interest and perform a right-click. This action opens up a handy contextual menu that offers several options related to managing the email you selected. Once this menu appears, look for the option that says Delete. It'll usually be represented by a small trash bin icon alongside the word itself. All you need to do is click on this Delete option and voila! The email will be moved from your inbox. By default, it will usually head straight to your Deleted Items folder, which acts as a temporary storage place before permanent deletion. It's important to remember that moving an email to the Deleted Items folder doesn't completely erase it just yet. Outlook gives you a safety net by allowing you to recover emails if you change your mind. However, to permanently delete emails and free up storage space, you'll need to clear out the Deleted Items folder periodically. If you're watching this because you need to stay organized, consider setting aside some time each week to manage your inbox. Deleting unnecessary emails regularly can prevent clutter and make finding important messages easier. And just like that, you've learned how to delete an email in Microsoft Outlook. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, you can keep your inbox neat and tidy with just a couple of clicks. So go ahead, open your inbox and give it a try. You will be amazed at how quickly you can manage and organize your emails this way. Remember, with a clutter-free inbox, there's also a reduction in information overload, making it easier and often far less stressful to focus on the messages that truly matter. So whether it's about enhancing productivity or merely enjoying a more organized digital workspace, these small actions can make a significant difference. Thanks for tuning in. Keep practicing and soon deleting emails will be second nature to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.